I offer my pranams to Swami Vivekananda, who is actually the king of all the monks, who is the very embodiment of the existence, knowledge, bliss, absolute. I offer my pranams to him. Very dear and honorable MLA, Mr. Samuel M. Sangma, Principal of Woodland School, respected Sri Senthal A. Sangma, respected convener of the Ramakrishna Vivekananda Bhavat Prachar Parishad Uttar Purbanchal area, Sri Satyabrata Das Sharma Babu, Sri Vidyut Babu, one of the joint conveners of the same Parishad, coming from Lamding and from Guwahati. Respected teachers of this school, very dear organizers and the executives of the Dalu Ramakrishna Seva Sangha, and dear friends and mothers. I am extremely glad to be present here today amongst you, to witness and participate in this nice program being performed and organized, conducted by our local